Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Can a $10 Bluetooth speaker from IKEA really be legit, or is this just a too-good-to-be-true scam? I got my hands on the IKEA Kallsup, the official budget Bluetooth speaker that's been popping up everywhere since early 2026. It's tiny, it's cute, it comes in 3 colors, and honestly, it's kind of adorable. So, is it worth it? Let's get right to it. For just $10, you get a compact 2.75-inch cube with Bluetooth 5.3, a solid 9-hour battery at medium volume, and this wild feature that lets you pair up to 100. Yeah, 100 of these together. That sounds sketchy, right? But major outlets like TechRadar and The Verge have actually tested this, and it works. You can build a literal wall of sound if you want, or just sprinkle them around your house for background music. But full honesty, you get what you pay for. The Kallsup isn't going to shake your windows. There's basically zero bass. The tiny 2-inch driver just can't push those deep lows. And don't expect any fancy controls. There's no volume knob, you have to use your phone. No USB-C charging cable in the box either, which is annoying, but not a deal breaker. Sound quality? It's surprisingly clear for vocals and podcasts, but crank it past 80% and you'll notice some distortion. Still, it sounds way better than any basic phone speaker, and it works great as a travel buddy or for a kid's room. So, is the IKEA Kallsup a scam? Nope. It's a real, super affordable speaker with a couple of cool tricks up its sleeve. Just keep your expectations realistic, grab a USB-C cable, and you'll probably be, dare I say, pleasantly surprised. For $10, it's a steal for what it is.